NeoCube, and I'm telling you how to make a 3D triangle. Now first, you make a straight line out of all the magnet balls from the cube. And you take 10 magnet balls, take those off, and then you get 4 and put it in a circle like this. And just keep spinning it around. It's a long drawn out process. And sometimes it gets stuck like that. And as that happens, just grab one from the other side over here. See, right there. Then keep going around. Just about done. There we go, we got this. Now, take these two edges right here and connect them like this. Take this edge right here and sorry about this. There we go. There we have it. 3D triangle.